Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? Let's start with today's interview question. Today's interview question is: what are the AWS CLI command you have used? AWS S3 CLI command you have used? Command line option for S3 bucket. So you know that command line options we can use like first we have to once you have created a user, you have to create access key, secret key, right? And once you create that access key, secret key, then you will be able to AWS. You have to do AWS configure, and you will be able to configure your access key and secret key, right? You'll be able to configure your access key and secret key. Uh, okay. So what are the AWS S3 command you have used? So let's after you have configured, you'll be able to you have to install AWS CLI command line tool, and I have already installed. And once you install that AWS S3 you can do, and you'll be able to see all the buckets. And then AWS S3 CP to copy some files. Let's copy some file. There's got txt and copy to this bucket. S3 // So I'm copying to this bucket. Currently, I have only hello.txt and hi.txt in this bucket. Bucket name is Devops Challenge start in May, and here it's copied, uploaded to this bucket, AWS S3 CP. Now I need to just refresh. So I'm refreshing it, and it should be visible now. Let's see where I've copied. I copied to Devops Challenge, that in my right. So it should be visible. Yes, s.txt is uploaded today, May 19th. Okay. Now okay. So let's see some of the other comments. So list all buckets AWS S3 LS. You can see that these are the very commonly frequently used commands I have used. AWS S3 LS list all the buckets. List objects in a bucket AWS S3 LS and that particular bucket name, right? And you can list all the objects. Then copy file. We already did that. AWS S3 CP. Copy the file name. File name. Then S3 / your bucket name. Copy a file from S3. From S3 bucket, you want to copy the file to a local machine. That you can do. Copy enter directly to S3 bucket recursively. AWS S3 CP, and then you have some local folder that you want to copy to your bucket, S3 bucket destination, and do it recursively, minus recursive. So in a recursive way, it will copy. Remove an object from S3, AWS S3 RM, remove object. Remove multiple objects recursively, AWS S3 RM, bucket name recursive, right? Folder recursive. And some other commands sometimes I do from maybe from UI, but we can also create bucket using command line AWS SCMB, create bucket AWS CRB, delete bucket, MB delete bucket, MB new create new bucket, RB delete bucket recursively, RB force, including all objects. If you have objects, it's not empty. Then bucket name force, it will be all the objects will be deleted. Then there are some other commands like get detail info about object, head object, and then the file.txt. You want to get details about this object info. Bucket policy you want to get, put the bucket policy, apply the bucket policy. So these are the different commands we can use. But most common use is this ls copy, remove, right? They are the most commonly used. Make bucket that NB, remove bucket RB, those kind of commands. Okay, so let's start with quiz. Which command list all S3 bucket in your account? So we have already seen AWS S3 LS list all the S3 buckets in your account. Answer is C. What is the correct command to upload a file to S3 bucket? What is the correct command? So we know that it's a copy CP. So it's AWS S3 CP. Which one? Not the first one, because first one is the only one flag. So this is second, the D, fourth one. AWS S3 copy the file name. So S3 slash my bucket slash. So this is the D, right answer. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow DevOps Challenge Hub LinkedIn page. I organize quiz and contest daily. You can participate in that. You can also follow WhatsApp channel DevOps Challenge Hub, and you can get daily updates. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.